How to recover a Gmail account. If you try to log into your Gmail account again and again, your account may get locked. After it gets locked, this is what you need to do. First, go to your phone's home screen. Long press the Google app, then go to App Info. Go to Permissions. Scroll up. Click on Location. Select the Don't Allow option, then confirm it. Minimize the app. Now long press the Chrome app. Go to App Info. Go to Permissions. Click on Location. Select the Don't Allow option. Confirm it and minimize the app. Now go to your phone settings. Scroll up. Go to the Google option. Click on the 3 dots at the top. Then click on Help. Go to Search Help and type Gmail Restore Access. After that, you will see the option Sign in if you lost your security key. Click on it. And click on Learn how to use a security key for 2-step verification. Then click on Security Keys or Passkeys. Tap on Create Passkey. Scroll down to the end. Click on Make your account more secure. Scroll again and then click on Help protect your password from hackers. Then click on Password Alert. After that, click on the option shown here. Scroll down to the end and click on Customer Care. Scroll again and click on Google Workspace Admin Help Center. Click on the 3 lines and select Help Center. Scroll down and click on Contact Support Fix a Problem. Scroll again and go to Gmail Issues. Click on Identity and Secure Compromised Accounts. Then click on Gmail Security Checklist. After that, click on Account Recovery. Now click on Ask your administrator for help. Scroll down and click on Can't sign into Google account. Here you will see different options. If you forgot your Gmail password, select the first option. If you forgot your email or username, select the second option. You can choose the option according to your problem. For example, I select you are having trouble with 2-step verification. Then click on Codes from text messages or phone calls are not working. Scroll up. After that, click on Creating a replacement Google account. Then click on Account Support page. Now you will reach this page. Here type your Gmail address. Next, your Gmail account can be recovered from here. If you want to change your password, click on the Password option. Enter your new password in both boxes. Then click on Change Password. Your password will be updated. After that update, your phone number. Also add another recovery email in the security settings. This will help protect your Gmail account from hackers and keep your account secure. If you liked the video, so subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to get notifications of new videos.